My lats, they burn like anything. Day before yesterday was the pull workout, yesterday was the push workout. Start to feel a bit of the chest also. But lats are so dead, man. So dead. Good evening. Welcome back to In the Khud. This is October 19, 2022. 7:09 p.m. Got late today because I just went down for a quick test drive of a car we're buying. Confidential until things are completely finalized. They're finalized. Okay, this is yesterday. Today I woke up at 5:45, took Snowy down. Okay, what was different? I did not eat my oatmeal today. Instead I just drank the protein and milk because that itself is like a meal and it's too heavy. So I don't feel like eating anything post that. I spent, okay, as normal, because in the morning I spent some time figuring out some stuff at dad's work, which was important, and then the majority time I spent figuring out this part. So I had forgotten that I have to take a bite out of the Magnum ice cream. So this part here, the texture of the boolean bite which we're taking out, there's a wave texture, and that's it. It's just a wave texture. Yeah, in your bump and in your normal there's Voronoi with noise, but in your base color is just wave texture with color amp to get the color that you want. So this is how the final render looks like. I mean, I'm excited. It's looking so good. I am okay. Just to put a number on things, 99% done. I should have been in a position to just have uploaded it today. I mean, yeah, just the fact that I'm looking at this render after what, like 8 hours or so, I'm so excited. I've also added a light at the bottom because we're getting a little dark when you're twisting it like that. But man, am I proud of this. Love it. It's taken almost, I think, 3 weeks. I can even drag back my In the Khud vlogs and videos where I've started talking about the Magnum ice cream and all the struggle, and this entire project was documented in real time. Can you believe it? That's so amazing. But yeah, we couldn't do much on this today because it was a very intense full-time job day. I worked on the Tata AIG video changes. There are again changes. Oh god, when will this end? And I made another simple video. I had to work on 2 additional character animation videos which I'm gonna do tomorrow in office. That's the situation because I have decided that I have to go to office tomorrow. We'll see how things work out there. Majority of the day today was talking to the team kind of day because 2 members of my team, my video team, are looking to just leave and quit the job. So I have to get on a few calls and figure out what can be done, and I ended up having conversation with every person in the team just to see if, because I look at running the team from a very objective standpoint of work efficiency. Like if the work is getting done, if the timesheet is being followed, if anyone has any issues or anything, we can figure that out. But I never go to the human side of things, as in, is anything bothering you? Is there something I can do other than work which would help out your situation better? So I did that kind of call. Yeah, I think it's just part of learning everything as things happen. That pretty much concludes what I had to discuss today. I'm kind of uneasy right now. It's the combined, I'm looking for that word, saturation from like physical plus mental. I'm apparently supposed to go to the gym now and do a legs workout, and I'm not gonna miss it because I've decided that Thursday is gonna be a rest day. Okay, Thursday is a rest day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday pull, Tuesday push, Wednesday legs, Thursday rest, Friday push, Saturday pull, Sunday rest, Sunday cardio for a run every Sunday. That's the perfect schedule as of now, at least, and that way I'm hitting all the major muscle groups twice a week, and there's constant growth happening regardless of whatever. So that's the plan. And one thing I still haven't figured here is why the particles are not sticking to this collision object. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Yeah, I even put it to a null to just reveal this. I think it's a little too slow, specifically the fact that it's playing at 60 FPS, but that's the thing, I have all this room and margin to like time remap things in After Effects if I want to make them a little faster or let the bean go. But the final reveal, I wanted to take a little time, and the grand reveal, and boy am I excited for this project. It makes me feel so good. Oh, okay, it's because the denoising, like I can see some artifacts or something, but yeah, in the render it'll be fine. And then finally we come and take a bite and almost like offer it to the audience. I'm gonna have some text, classic, go old, something like that. So we're 95% done. In fact, yeah, 90, because render is a big part of things. So let's say we're 95% done. That's it for today's documentation. Thank you so much for being in the car. I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, I might not be able to catch you tomorrow because I have to go to office. I will come back and do a recording session most probably, but if I cannot, day after tomorrow. Peace.